Hey, it's Miguel Sanchez here at the Network office, and today I want to show you a feature called FNN Statements. It's a pretty cool feature that allows you to set configurations onto your net tool to be used later by you or somebody else if you like. It's pretty easy to use. I do use my net tool on the desktop itself to make configurations because it's easier to type on my keyboard. And I'm going to show you guys how to use it today on a Juniper. So I just connect my net tool to my PC's Wi-Fi. And then I click the net tool here. As you can see, I'm on VLAN 66 here, and we're going to change that through FNN Statements. We go to the settings here, and then to switch configurator. Once you're in switch configurator, we have to add credentials here. I've added them already, but I'll show you how to add them here real quick. Just hit the plus button right here. Call it Juniper. Add here. We'll let the net tool fill in our management IP. Then we'll fill out the rest. Since we don't have a Juniper selection here, we're just going to use generic. And then we're going to add it. Once added, we're going to go back to our switch configuration settings. Once you're in the settings, we have to make an FNN statement. You can see I have one here set up, but I'll show you how to use it. We're just going to click the add button here. We're going to name this template Juniper VLAN. I'm tagging the VLAN 99. I'm going to add the steps here. The first thing would be to get into operation mode on the Juniper. So here you're going to tell the net tool what to look for. So I'm going to tell it to look for a % sign. And when it sees that % sign, type in CLI. Once in operation mode on the Juniper, we want to get to configuration mode. So we're going to tell the net tool to look for an @ symbol. And then type in configure. Once in configuration mode, we're going to have to delete the VLAN that the port's on. So to do that, I'm just going to copy and paste my command here. First we have to tell the net tool what to look for. So we're going to tell it to look for a hashtag, and then we have to delete the VLAN on the Juniper to add the VLAN we want. So we're going to go ahead and run this command, that is delete all VLAN members on that port. And then to add the VLAN that we want, we're going to tell the net tool to look for the hashtag, and then run this command. To add VLAN member lab 3, which is what I named VLAN 99. To make sure I know that's here. Once that's added, we're going to go ahead and tell it to look for the hashtag one more time and commit it. And I just like to give it one more commit and put. All right, once you got your steps all set up, I'm going to go back to the switch configurator settings. Once here, we're going to activate this configure with an FNN template. And as you can see, our template's here selected since it's the only one we have. We're going to go ahead and auto queue the port that we're plugged into, and we're going to hit apply. As you can see, the switch configurator queue has a 1 in it already. We're going to see 2 pop up here with another one. Here's our new configuration ready to run. I'm going to go ahead and run it. Now what it's doing right now is making an SSH connection to your device and running all those steps that you set up. It does take a while, so we'll wait for it to finish here. once finished, it will disappear. We go back to the configurator settings. And here in the switch configurator history, you see a 2 pop up. So there's another one. And we can see the log here. And we can see how the commands were ran. And if we go back to our information page, we should have VLAN 99. Go ahead and reset our DHCP here. And there we are. New subnet. And that's how you use FNN statements. Thank you for watching.